Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can solve the issue when the JBL wave beam are not connecting to your phone or not pairing. So the first thing that you want to do is like really simple. Put them back in, then take both out. And when you're going to take both out, what you want to do is you want to press 3 times the left earbud, and then you just want to hold it on the third time. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 and hold. Now we're going to hold it, and what will happen is that automatically you want to also unpair it from your phone if you can. Then after 5 seconds you can try it multiple times. You're going to put it back to the case and close the case. And this is how it's done. It's super simple, and I hope you're going to do it. Now what you can also do is that you can go to your phone and first unpair them if you paired them before. So you're going to go to settings, connections, Bluetooth, and then you're going to have the wave beam here, settings, and on the bottom right you're going to have unpair. So unpair them. This is something that you can do. Now the next thing, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't know any other solutions. So let me down below in the comments if it's going to work out for you, this hard reset. Have a great day and goodbye.